My name is Saiful Islam Khan. I have been serving for Meristos Bangladesh since 1991. Over this time, I served as project manager, marketing and communications manager, general manager, program development, and at that moment, I have been serving as consultant. So I have been doing lot of things like new project development, design, monitoring and evaluation, project implementation, marketing and communication strategy development, and resource development, training and capacity development for field teams, and new clinic opening, and so on. Meristos is a big reproductive health organization in Bangladesh. We have 107 clinics throughout the country. We have 450 outreach centers through which we serve different types of clients like homeless population, garments workers, men, rich group, and other general population. We have good relation with the government of Bangladesh to provide family planning services, particularly long-term and permanent methods. We, we have a call center that we established in 2010. Based on the suggestions and queries of our clients group, they wanted a call center that through which we can provide information on reproductive health issues, and also in terms of they need to go to the clinics for referrals. So we have established call center, and this call center is being operated by 3 call center coordinators. They are paramedic, they are trained how to operate, how to answer the questions, different questions, and this is 24-hour. So when our clinic is closed, the client have the access to get information through our call center even in the midnight. Every month we serve more than 4,000 clients through this call center, and we promote this number through different pharmacies and rural medical practitioners. We developed and printed stickers, posters, danglers, and mention our number. So if somebody needs the number for getting information, they can access through these promotional materials. We also market Meristos clinical services through different ways like mass media. We have television commercial, TV spots, we have billboards, signboards. We arrange different events like World Population Day, AIDS Day, World Health Day, and different events we observe with ourselves through our sometimes we arrange ourselves, sometimes we organize through government and other partners. We serve also the hard to reach populations. There are some areas where communication is very bad. People had to go through boat or launch, through the river side, and that areas service providers and facilities not available sometime, and people are reluctant to get services. So we have services partnership with the government of Bangladesh to provide BSC, or I mean the long term and permanent family planning methods. We also serve through our marine ambulance, the boat, speedboat. We call Meristos ambulance, Meristos river boat clinic. Through that boat, we carry our clients like the women, especially the pregnant mother, for antenatal care, and in case of emergency for surgical, or I mean the cesarean section, cesarean delivery, we take the client from hard to reach areas to the city for government hospitals or private clinics. We have lot of programs actually. Bangladesh, I say there is a big program. So we are trying to reach as much as possible to the communities like poor people, vulnerable people, those who do not have access in health service, especially reproductive health services. And our clinics are designed in such a way that we charge very subsidized rate. Even then, we have a safety network. Those who cannot afford, we provide free of services for the poor community. This is all about Meristos Bangladesh. If you want to know more about Bangladesh, Meristos Bangladesh, you can visit our website maristopes-bd.org. Thank you.